Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Wrap your teeth with foil and you will not believe the results. This treatment has been described by numerous people as effective. Classic tooth whitening does not work on all teeth, especially if they are gray, as the effect is not visible and is only more effective when it comes to yellowing teeth. There are many teeth whitening products on the market today, and some of them contain small amounts of carbon peroxide and small teeth whitening particles. However, you can make your own toothpaste for teeth whitening, and it can be achieved as follows. Mix some baking soda with your usual toothpaste. Take a piece of foil and fold it to fit your teeth. Apply the paste you have to the foil and then put it on your teeth. Let the paper remain on the teeth for an hour. If you want to get faster and better results, repeat this procedure twice a day for a period of 7 days only. After several days, you will realize the first results, and in some cases, you will have to wait a few weeks. According to dentists, this tooth whitening treatment is completely safe and there are no health risks to your teeth if you practice it. However, care should be taken to avoid repeating this treatment too often in order to avoid damage to the dental enamel. I ask you 3 favors: like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.